Here's a Schindler 5400 AP MRL Traction lift at Kenmore. You know where this is. Please do not mention in the comments or else I'll remove the comment. Cappy. Green D8 fixtures.
Level 2. Going down.
PXSG voice. Going down?
Yes, please. Ground floor. Going up. Level 2. Going down.
PXSG voice. Here's the cabinet. You take the shaft here. Shaft lights are always turned on in this lift. How funny. Door sensors. Those there are the door sensors. Don't know if I can get my hand in there. And if I stand there for too long, nudge mode will occur. Oh, there's nudge mode.
Ground floor. Going up.
Green Vander, LOP. We'll go to 2 and end it. Here's the Schindler badge. The Schindler plate.
Level 2. Going down.
There it goes. That's it.